Peaceful day in Sheskinmore. Ponies are over there grazing on the slopes. Some of those slopes were mulched for them so they could get access to the grassy pockets. The blackthorn and brambles were mulched. And the 6 of them are grazing away there, making their own little tracks through it all. And really doing a great job. There's their shelters. And then they'll go into the fen for a little while in March. Kind of get it grazed down for the breeding waders. Stay in there for a few weeks and then back up onto the slopes again. And then back into the fen around August time, start of August, till about October. That's Sheskinmore Loch itself. The reed bed, the fen, the mac around it. And back to the fixed dunes. I'll go over to the ponies now in a little while. Get a few close-up shots and a little video. So I'm in the fen now. And you can see 4 Aberdeen Angus over there. They graze in here in the winter. And this is the main area here for Tygo Gairai. And it's also a breeding area for snipe and lapwing. I'm getting closer to those lovely dry calcareous grassland slopes that are likely grazed year round that side. And then we move around. Again, you can see the ponies there. The Konik ponies. Konik is the Polish word for little pony. Konik. And there's 6 of them there. So they came in February 2024. And they've really exceeded my expectations of what they could do. And they're really well cared for by the farmer who's in a National Parks and Wildlife Farm plan here. And then beside the grassland that they're grazing is a lovely stretch of birch, hazel, oak woodland that stretches on all over that slope, Mullyvea, the slope of birch. And if I swing back around, you can see the reed bed, which is on the edge of Sheskinmore Loch, where this place gets its name. So I moved up onto the calcareous grassland slopes, where the light's starting to go. So that's the fen then down below. The 2 pony shelters. You see a white marker. So up as far as there on the slope, from the white marker down, the bracken's been controlled and the brambles have been mulched, and you can see below me lots of brambles, but the ponies are really moving through it. And then there's the lake, reed bed, really in flood. And then I'm going to move right around to the east. You can see where the blackthorn is encroaching out from the birch woodland. And there, just in front of us, there was a track mulched through the blackthorn to let the ponies up onto those higher slopes. And I'm going to walk up there now and just do another little bit to show what we go there their dung and tracks where they've been up there grazing. So I'm walking higher up the slopes of Mullyvea and I'm following this track with the dung, the ponies' dung, and I'll just keep the video running and you can see what I can see. It's more dung there and here. Seeing these pockets of grassland haven't been grazed for at least 15 years, and these 6 mares just make their own tracks and trails, moving around all the time and creating openings and edges and grazing these lovely natural grassland pockets that are here, keeping them open, stopping them from closing in completely, and same breaking up the reed bed down below, just doing a great job.